Hey guys, we're gonna test out the Anker Zolo battery pack to see just how well it runs our Breezo fan. See how much time we'll get out of this thing. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm testing out this Anker Zolo battery pack. It's a MagSafe. So it's got that on the back. It's just meant to charge your phone. But I'd like to see just how long this thing will run this fan and whether the intermittent feature will shut it down and not continue to work. I did a test earlier with some various pauses in it, and it was working fine. So I'm gonna do a cook on it and see how it goes. I'm just gonna do some boneless short ribs, and shouldn't be too long of a smoke, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot and see how well it does. This is it's a $50 battery bank, so man, if this will work, it'd be a hell of a lot easier than running power. You know, you can take this pit anywhere. We'll see. All right, so I failed to mention here that the time. So since this is a test to see how long it'll last, it is 10:36. We'll see how long it goes. All right, so during this battery bank test, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up these Wagyu short ribs, boneless, or chuck rib, or whatever you call it, but they look really good. And they weren't super expensive, so I mean, it's like 20 bucks for all that, so you can get a decent idea of the size of it. So anyway, I'm gonna season these up just like I do a brisket. I'm gonna just put some holy cow and Lowry's on it and smoke them nice and slow. So we'll see how it goes. So here's a shot of the app. We've been at this for a little over 2 hours now. Battery bank is still working fine, especially on these really long pauses that it's having. It's kicking back on and running the fan every time it needs to. I put some probes in the 3 pieces of meat right there. You'll see where they're sitting at. I'm gonna get them close to 200. I'll probably wrap them up maybe once they get to about 165 or 170, but we'll just have to see if I got decent bark development. I just don't want them to dry out because they are you know, relatively thinly cut, so to speak. So but that's what the app looks like. 2 hours in, it's looking pretty good. Battery's doing its job. As you can hear, this thing is still running. I did move it here and slap it up over here just to get it out of the sun. I don't want the sun beating on it, but it's still going. It has been, wow, it's been 6.5 hours, almost 6 hours and 45 minutes, and it's still running good. I don't remember the exact time. I told you pretty close to 10:30 when I started, but it's 5:08 right now, and this battery's still running. So far so good. Been 10 hours and 15 minutes, still running. It's 8:50 at night. Pretty amazing, really. If this thing will get me 12 hours or more, I'll be ecstatic. So I was bound and determined to stay up until the power ran out. It was 1:30 in the morning and it was still running and I just gave up. You know, it had been 15 hours at that point, and I figured, man, that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and call it, and went to bed. So yeah, that Anker Zolo is gonna get you 15 hours or more. I don't even know how much longer it would have gone, maybe another hour or two, but yeah, 15 hours on that battery was pretty dang good. You know, worst case, it gets you through the night. So, all right, guys, that's it for this time.